Greetings, greetings, my people. Greetings. It depends where you are watching from. I said, God bless our people. God bless our people wherever you find yourself. Today's topic is for Nigerian women. Can you help your husband pay your bride price? Is it welcomed to you? Is it a burden? Are you against it? Is it something that should be happening in a life of a man that doesn't have money or that is not financially buoyant in terms of paying the bride price of the woman? That is the question. I just did the same video in Facebook. Now YouTube, you are in. Are you in support that your wife or your fiancé or husband to be, wife to be, accept your woman to give you financial support in terms of paying her bride price? Is it welcome to you? Is it a good thing? Is it a bad thing? The way this is moving on in Nigeria today, millions of ladies are single. Millions of young guys are single. All of them are growing old. They are not lesbian. Most are not gay. Two of the parties are looking for a way to get married. But the blocking stone in between two of them is the wall of financial support. The woman is rich or she's financially buoyant and capable to carry the expenses of her wedding. Should she offer such a thing to the husband? Maybe she is old, up to 44 years old. The man may be 50 years old. Men looking at two of them, you know that time is not on their side. Is it a welcome idea for the man to invite the woman inside bedroom and tender such an offer? Please, can you help me to pay for your car, whatever, to offer the woman or to plead for help, that I'm in financial difficulties. If you may be able to support this our wedding, so that we will do it once and for all. What is your mind? You may call us through WhatsApp call. You may call me through Viber. You may call me through Signal Messenger. You may call the numbers that are there. You may call any number, but the Nigerian line, the credit is finished. I have to tell you the simple truth. I am not in Nigeria. I'm outside. So if I'm receiving calls, it costs me money. But you can call through WhatsApp and everything with that Nigerian line. Is it a crime for the wife to call the husband, Daddy, sit down, I beg. I've been waiting for this wedding for almost 5, 6 years, 7 years. You keep on telling me that we will do and we will go do. I know that you are not financially buoyant. Should I support you? Should I give you support? Is it bad? Your caller, you may call in, advise those that their tradition is hindering them not to do it. Or you call in to advise those that their religion is hindering from doing it. Or to advise those that their friends are the ones that will draw them back, that why should a woman pay for her bed price? You call her or your wife tomorrow. Will you be proud of yourself? Is it a good thing to do as lovers that want to build their future together as one? What do you think? That is our show of today. I am waiting to call in, air in your view. Tell us what you think. Is it a good thing to do such a thing? To accept this offer For me personally, it's not a bad thing. It's not a humiliation to the man. For me, ndị Igbo na-asị aka kpụrụ n'isi ihe ya n'isi o. That's where I believe. Anyhow where the thing go take solve, let it solve. Let the matter solve. If you are with me, you support me, call in, let us iron these issues out. Because you know go they say make my friends where they here. Not talk say this one and that one and this one, and you lose your love. You miss the one you love most. So that's my topic of today. If you doesn't want to call live, you may call it later. Next week there will be another topic that I would love to discuss. That will be, as a woman, can you take or become a second wife in your matrimonial home? That will be the topic of next week. So this week I doesn't have much time to spend online. You may call in later, you may write your view, you may tell us what you think. If it is bad for a woman to render help in terms of taking care of the wedding and marriage. God bless you and remain blessed for now.